Today, I want to share with you my honest, unbiased opinion about Tesla. So recently, Tesla released their latest earning result for the second quarter. In short, the result was terrible. Sales has been dropping, revenue dropped, profit also dropped. So let's just quickly recap their earning results. So earnings per share came in at 40 cents versus expected 43 cents by analysts. Whereas revenue is only 22.5 billion versus expected 22.74 billion. So all earnings missed analyst expectation. And the worst thing is, compared to the previous year, the revenue has been declining non-stop. In fact, compared to last year, revenue dropped 12%, profit dropped 16%. That is damn a lot. But the worst of worst news is that the forward guidance. So Elon Musk himself said that be prepared for rough quarters ahead. So this is actually very bad news, because anyone who works in a company like Elon Musk or the senior management, they know the company best. So if someone who knows the company so well said that, you must be prepared. So what could the reason be that Tesla is doing so poorly? So I mean, some of the reason we can think of is cheaper EV out there, where by example you have a China, BYD. All these are actually very low cost EV that adds pressure to Tesla sales of EV. And then Trump's latest tariff also increased the cost of importing raw materials into the US, and then that increased the cost of manufacturing EV. So remember, tariff don't just hurt other countries, it also hurt the US companies. And third, I think Trump's big beautiful bill that has no longer providing the 7,500 credit for new EV car purchases. So that makes purchasing an EV car not so attractive. I think the last most important reason is Elon Musk's involvement in politics. So back then, Elon Musk spent millions of dollars to support Trump to make sure he wins the presidency. But it kind of backfired. Instead of Trump creating policy to benefit Elon Musk and Tesla, right, he came out with this big beautiful bill and removed all this EV tax credit, which is detrimental to Tesla actually. And also, right, you must understand, a lot of countries out there, the people there all hate Trump. They all hate Trump's tariff policy because it's hurting them. But the problem is that people tend to associate Trump, Elon Musk and Tesla as one package. So you think logically, why would I want to support and buy Tesla EV vehicles when the CEO, the chief, the management like Elon Musk is supporting Trump, who is hurting my country? So of course, a lot of people out there will boycott Tesla product. Who wants to support Elon Musk, support Tesla or Trump's policy? So it's like a holy trinity, you know. Everyone's get hit. So you have to be aware of this issue as well. So I think we also need to look at potential upside or catalyst. So I only can think of two, which I think they are very weak as well. I think the first one is what everyone is talking about, autonomous driving, full self-driving FSD or robo-taxi. To be honest, this has been going on for donkey years and nothing concrete really came out of it. And also you must understand, this robo-taxi is still work in progress. Till today they are still testing the car. So it's not really being fully utilized. And the problem is, most people who utilize this robo-taxi, they're actually fans and Tesla enthusiasts. They are not like general people like you and I. So I personally think that robo-taxi, this type of car, is not something very revolutionary. It's not like a game changer technology. So I don't think it's really like a big catalyst in my opinion. I mean, it's not like something like Microsoft Windows OS or Apple OS, which cannot be replaced easily. If people don't really take this robo-taxi, at least they still can kind of like, drive or take public transport. So it's not really like something people will be dependent on it, as compared to like technology company like Microsoft OS, Apple operating software. You must use it. You are relying on it. So I think another possible catalyst is that now that Elon Musk is so-called out of politics, he can actually focus full-time on Tesla. So that might be a good news. And in fact, Elon Musk also controls X and XAI. So if one day he suddenly decide, I think we should benefit Tesla shareholder. Let's give them some X shares or XAI shares. Tesla will boom, rocket up again. But this is just praying or buying on the hope that it happens, which may not happen. But Elon Musk being Elon Musk, he will do all kinds of stuff. He may just go back to politics and Tesla continue to sink, or he do something revolutionary and Tesla rocket up. So personally, my own opinion is that, disclaimer, I myself still hold about 200 shares of Tesla, which I'll probably sell some call options on it to make some cash. But I won't sell them because I cannot predict the future. Who knows, Tesla goes up again, we don't know. But for now, no way will I be adding Tesla, because there are just too many downsides for Tesla. And the catalyst present now is just so weak, I don't see any strong upside for Tesla. So if Tesla were to drop significantly, maybe to about $100, I may take a look. But for now, I will avoid Tesla. So if you buy Tesla share now, it's like getting zapped by Tesla, It's like,